In the world of technology, change is happening faster than we can keep up. Imagine this, an AI that doesn't just answer your questions or follow commands, but learns from its mistakes, rewrites its own code, and gets smarter on its own. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you this is happening right now? We are standing on the verge of something extraordinary, a new wave of AI that's not just a tool, but an evolving, self-improving entity. And the big question is this: could this self-improving AI soon surpass even the most advanced systems we have today? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this breakthrough might just be the game changer that redefines everything we thought we knew about technology and its impact on our future. Section 1. What is self-improving AI? Let's start with the basics. Self-improving AI isn't science fiction. It's the next big thing. Imagine an AI that doesn't just perform tasks. It adapts, improves, and becomes more efficient without human input. Unlike traditional AI, which needs to be constantly retrained and adjusted, self-improving AI has the ability to change and enhance itself. It's like a digital brain that's capable of learning how to learn better over time. Think of it as an AI that, over time, becomes the best version of itself without anyone telling it how. This evolution of AI is based on a structure known as the agent loop. An agent is given a task, it takes action, evaluates the outcome, and then adjusts its approach. What's incredible is that it doesn't just keep doing the same thing. It learns from its failures, rewrites parts of its code, and becomes better at doing the job. The AI becomes its own developer. Now, I know this sounds like a robot uprising waiting to happen, but trust me, this isn't about AI gaining emotions or consciousness. It's about functionality and autonomy. Section 2. How does it work? Let's dive a little deeper. Self-improving AI works by reflecting on past actions and modifying itself based on those reflections. Take AutoGPT. It's one of the first examples of an AI that could loop through tasks, evaluate its performance, and make adjustments autonomously. That's just the beginning. What makes these agents stand out is their reflection mechanisms. They not only assess past performance, but modify their strategy based on those assessments without human input. This isn't just a cool concept anymore. Startups and big companies are already deploying self-improving agents in the real world. They're being used to write code, manage projects, handle customer service, and even deal with cybersecurity. And these systems don't just operate, they get faster, smarter, and more efficient with each passing day. This is no longer a what-if situation. It's already transforming industries. Section 3. Real-world applications. Now let's look at some real-world applications. In software development, AI agents like Devin are already writing entire applications. Devin doesn't just complete code. It plans projects, solves bugs, and deploys software, all while learning and improving with every iteration. If the code doesn't work, it figures out why, fixes it, and moves forward. It's not just an assistant, it's a co-developer that gets better the more it works. In finance, these agents are analyzing market trends, tracking news, and adjusting strategies autonomously. Imagine how much faster they can react compared to human traders. $1 million decision could be made in seconds. And in healthcare, these agents are pushing boundaries by learning from patient data, improving diagnostic capabilities, and even adjusting treatments on the fly. These AI systems aren't replacing doctors. They're giving them a digital assistant that's always evolving and improving. Quick question. Wait, are you getting the chills yet? Because this next part will really blow your mind. If these systems can keep improving on their own, what happens when they start thinking beyond their original programming? What happens when they get too good at what they do? Section 4. The risks and challenges. As exciting as this technology is, there are significant risks we need to talk about. First, there's the issue of alignment. How do we ensure that these AI agents stay aligned with human goals? If an AI agent is tasked with maximizing clicks, it could end up creating misleading content just to hit its target. The more autonomous these agents become, the harder it will be to predict their behavior, and even a small misalignment could lead to disaster. Next, there's the loss of oversight. Traditional AI systems can be monitored and shut down. But what happens when an agent rewrites its own code and becomes too complex to understand? You might lose the ability to control it altogether. This is known as the black box problem, and it's a growing concern for developers and regulators alike. And here's the scariest part. What happens if these self-improving AI agents are used maliciously? Could they develop the ability to attack, adapt, and spread faster than any cybersecurity team could contain? The potential for security breaches becomes terrifying when you realize that an AI could evolve its own attack methods in real time. Section 5. The economic and ethical implications. Then, there's the economic disruption. As these AI agents get smarter, entire industries like programming, content creation, customer service, and even education could be transformed or even made obsolete. While this creates opportunities for new roles, it also risks leaving behind those who don't have the skills or access to these powerful AI tools. The digital divide could turn into a chasm. Ethically, we're entering uncharted territory. Should we limit how much a self-improving agent can change itself? Who's responsible if an autonomous agent causes harm? And can we copyright something created by a machine that evolves without human oversight? These are questions that need answers, and fast, because we're moving quickly into a future that could challenge our very notions of accountability and control. Section 6. The future and conclusion. We're at a tipping point. Self-improving AI is no longer a far-off dream. It's here. These systems are already evolving behind the scenes, solving problems and improving their own performance without human intervention. But as we stand on the edge of this technological revolution, we need to ask ourselves, how far should we let it go? With great power comes great responsibility, and we must approach this new era with caution. The rise of self-improving AI isn't just about technology, it's about our future, our jobs, and our society. The decisions we make today will shape the future of AI, and more importantly, the future of humanity. Will we design AI that reflects our best values, or will we build something that we can no longer control? If you're fascinated by the potential and the risks of self-improving AI, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think? Is this a breakthrough that could change the world for the better, or a disaster waiting to happen? Let me know your thoughts, and if you want more deep dives into emerging AI tech, hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until then, stay curious, stay critical, and keep thinking ahead.